Welcome to this tutorial on how Crypto.com works. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, and manage various digital currencies. To get started, you need to create an account on the Crypto.com website or mobile app. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can fund it with fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Crypto.com supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and other cryptocurrencies. After funding your account, you can explore the various features and services offered by Crypto.com. One of the key features of Crypto.com is its exchange, which allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at competitive prices. The exchange supports over 250 cryptocurrencies, including popular ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can also use the Crypto.com app to track the prices of various cryptocurrencies and set up price alerts. In addition to the exchange, Crypto.com offers a range of other services, including a cryptocurrency wallet, a payment card, and a lending platform. The wallet allows you to store your cryptocurrencies securely, while the payment card enables you to spend your cryptocurrencies at merchants that accept them. The lending platform allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies by lending them to other users. To ensure the security of your account and transactions, Crypto.com uses robust security measures such as two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage. The platform also complies with regulatory requirements and has obtained necessary licenses to operate in various jurisdictions. When using Crypto.com, it is essential to follow best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication, using strong passwords, and monitoring your account activity regularly. You should also be aware of the fees associated with using the platform, including transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and interest rates. In conclusion, Crypto.com is a versatile cryptocurrency platform that offers a range of services and features to help you manage your digital assets. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the platform responsibly, you can take advantage of the benefits of cryptocurrency and achieve your financial goals.